Welcome to our channel, where we focus on promoting healthy lifestyle choices. In today's video, we will discuss a simple yet powerful change you can make to transform your health and well-being. We all love sweet treats, but consuming too much refined sugar can have detrimental effects on our bodies. That's why we encourage you to consider trading sugar for honey, a natural, delicious, and healthier alternative. Let's delve into the wonderful benefits of this golden elixir. Sugar, a highly refined substance, is present in a variety of processed foods and beverages. Unfortunately, excessive sugar consumption has been linked to several health issues, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. But fret not, because we have a fantastic solution: honey. Honey, often highlighted as nature's gold, not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also provides numerous health benefits. Let's explore how honey can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Health benefits of honey. 1. Boosts immunity. Honey possesses natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can strengthen your immune system. It is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. 2. Soothes coughs and sore throats. Honey has long been used as a natural remedy for coughs and sore throats. Its thick consistency soothes irritation and provides a protective coating. Mix it with warm water, lemon, or herbal tea for a comforting and effective solution. 3. Digestive health. The enzymes present in honey aid in proper digestion, helping your body absorb essential nutrients. It can also act as a gentle laxative, promoting healthy bowel movements and relieving constipation. 4. Antioxidant powerhouse. Honey contains a wide range of antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants contribute to reducing inflammation, protecting against chronic diseases, and promoting cellular health. 5. Energy booster. The natural sugars present in honey provide a quick energy boost without the crash experienced after consuming refined sugar. Honey's unique combination of fructose and glucose can fuel your body during workouts or whenever you need an energy pick-me-up. By trading sugar for honey, you not only make a delicious swap but also embark on a journey towards improved health and well-being. Incorporating honey into your diet can have a significant positive impact on various aspects of your life. So why not take this opportunity to make a change for the better? Join us in embracing the natural sweetness of honey and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on leading a healthy lifestyle.